Well, hello everybody. How we doing? All right. So initially, let me get some music going. Initially, I was gonna get some of these done off camera because you know these Sally Hansen ones, whew, they can be a struggle. And I figured I didn't need to make you guys watch me struggle with these, right? But then the pinky one went on so good, which I probably just jinxed myself. It was probably the only one that was gonna go on so good was the pinky one. This set is called Bling It On. I think Marie brought it to me, and it's beautiful. Super sheer. You could totally use it over something. Do you guys see that? But I'm using it as my whole self. But I'm gonna put an overlay over it. Look how pretty that is. That's gorgeous. I can't really think of anything that compares to it, you guys. Maybe there was something in the past that did. But anyway, I love it. And these sets are going on, or not so much going on, right? They always go on easy, but they're coming off their cardboard easy enough. So I figured might as well turn the camera on, because that's normally where I have all my struggles, is with the cardboard. I mean, and these are 2011, you guys. 2011. It's a long time ago. 11 years old. And, you know, going on like they're today years old. Today years. Fresh as your baby's bottom. They are not sticky though, so that, I mean, they're sticky, but they're not like a lot of the Color Street ones have been over sticky lately. Over. And I mean way over. And I did leave out a couple spares just in case things went crap. Because basically in one set of these Sally Hansen ones, you get like one strip of Color Street. Like each little package contains one strip instead of being 2 strips in one package, which is quite nice, really. Well, I mean, if your nails are really long and you're gonna have to use both packages anyways, it doesn't matter. But like, I would say the majority of people I know, one strip will do both hands for them. Nail friend Amy Schultz usually keeps real long nails, and I think she has to use a full strip. There we go. This color is blowing my mind, you guys. It's really pretty. It's like a rose gold, maybe? I don't really know what I'd call it, but it's lovely. And these are, if you didn't know, in Cocoa was how Foss started before he switched to the MLM style and went to Color Street. Now here, this was the top one, so you can see the color it faded to, and that's the color that it should be, but I've got to use both, so we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna trim that a hair. Look at that. None of it stuck. What? And I feel like I see this one. This is a pretty readily available color on like eBay, Amazon, whatever. So there, that one with the sun lost a teeny touch of the pink, but that's okay. Don't mind. You're not gonna know from hand to hand, you know what I mean? Oh, that one was beautiful too. You guys, come on, for 11 years old. What the hairy. They go on beautifully. Okay, now, this is an off-brand. And I wrote it down as Wind Whispers, but who knows? I might have made that up. It's just a beautiful, it's got a lot of good movement. Beautiful overlay. And I'm just accenting with it. I mean, you could also think of it like waves also, I think. If you wanted to, you could. You can do it. I think it's gonna look cool over this, so yep. Oh yeah. And I'm going to trim with scissors, and then I know these are not perforated, so I have to trim this in with scissors. That was super tight fit there, but it worked. Okay. Those are really pretty. Yep, sold. Okay, now and I do need to trim this a hair, square it up a little. This one's gonna be lovely on the film. Oh yeah, oh my goodness. Oh, you guys, that one is so pretty. And the little, like the pattern is so fine that unless the light catches it the right way, you almost like, you don't know if you're seeing a pattern on there, you know? If you're seeing that touch of blue, you are seeing that touch of blue. Beautiful. And this blue is really pretty. All right. There we go. Get off there, bugger. That's the thing with these off-brands. I have so much I gotta nip that my nippers always end up full of little bits. And I know I've said before, but I'll say it again. When you're using these off-brand ones that are feeling a little plasticky, which I think they all do. Make sure you use your flax bag. It'll really set them up nice. Might as well clean that edge while it's there. There. Yeah, you guys, those are really pretty. I like it faded as much as I like it not faded. You know what I mean? Like the color is still really pretty. And the fact that my thumbs are never just sitting like this, I don't think anybody would ever notice it. Yep, sold. So the Sally Hansen one is Bling It On. And I know that for sure because I double checked. Looked it up, double checked to make sure I had the name right. And then the other one, you guys, I don't know if I made that name up or if it was from, I know Color Creations has tons of little overlays, but this one didn't say where it was from, so then I just can't tell you. That's all. There it is. All right, guys, have a good one.